All right, just got done with work. I got a new high-vis yellow sweatshirt, but first I gotta go pay my speeding ticket. I'm not even paying it, I'm fighting it. Anyway, and then I gotta fly because I got a package that I gotta ship out, and I'm kind of thirsty, so let's do this. All right, so I'm in a predicament because it closes in 2 minutes, and I gotta speed to get over there, but I just saw a police officer, so I gotta show up there, throw my mask on, grab my thing, and go in and fight my speeding ticket. This is terrible. It's a recipe for disaster. Speeding. I'm not speeding. Still not speeding. There we go. Okay, that's done. On to the next thing. She was super cool. So I got a speeding ticket. I was doing like 50 and a 35 or something. It was 5:30 in the morning. It was 7 degrees out. Anyway, so I put sorry, I was speeding, and I won't do it again. And we'll see what happens. I don't know. Hopefully they take away the points or something. Maybe the fine. It was $100. I sort of crashed my car the other day into a small sign. And I'm waiting on an insurance check, so I'm excited. But I really have to go up to the bathroom. I just got home, so I'm gonna do that first. Sure is pretty out there. So anyway, my buddy Dan today bought a strobe system. So I'm gonna package it up and fly it to Festival Foods in Howard, and then I'm going to drop it off because that's where I ship out all my packages. So that's what we're gonna do. So Dan ordered up the PPG Smoke strobe system, blinking lights, to keep you flying before sunrise and after sunset. So I'm gonna package that up along with the free stickers that you get with every order and try to stuff it in here. And I think that'll fit. Yeah, this should fit. And then strap this thing with the CaraBEERners right to my lap and then fly in. So we'll do it. All right, Dan, here's your package. Made it to the park. There's just a tiniest trace of wind, and the ground is covered in snow everywhere, so I'm gonna launch out of the parking lot, hopefully straight that way. We'll see what happens. It's no wind and the ground's a little bit wet, but it's kind of downhill, and it should work. It should work all right. We'll get set up. I haven't started this paramotor since California, and I haven't flown in months, so it might be a little rusty. Just watch out. Oh, we even kept it out of the puddle. All right. All right. Just touched down here in a vacant parking lot. I'm a little bit cold and I sort of crashed. I didn't crash. I just came down a little bit hard. But that was, all in all, it worked out pretty good. So let's go deliver the goods. Okay, sweet. We made it to where we're going to drop off the parking lot. Hopefully everything is safe there. I'm just gonna leave it in the parking lot. It's not super busy. Oh man, I can't believe I didn't break my ankle. I was coming in, but there's no wind. So when I touched down, it was a little stiff on the concrete. It could have been a slight bit smoother, but whatever. I'm down, I'm safe. Good to go. So now time to go drop off this thing. Oh, and I gave myself a haircut the other day. It's kind of mohawky. But anyway, so the heated gloves that I did a little tech talk on a while ago are working pretty good. I mean, it's cold up there, and I just have these thin gloves on high heat. So I don't know, I guess they work pretty good. Not a real scientific analysis of it, but you know, I'm not freezing. I can feel my fingers. Here we are at the place to drop off the package, deliver the goods. People are looking at me kind of funny. Anyway, oh, it's face mask zone here. Even in Wisconsin, we got things, they still make us wear face masks. I know everywhere else in the country. Wisconsin's pretty open, but yeah, that's a neat vehicle. All right, let's head in here. Gotta put the face mask on.
How's it going?
Going good. How you guys doing?
I'm doing good, thanks.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did. It's pretty
Oh
sick.
man, I stuffed the landing.
Yeah, you did. You were coming in pretty quick.
I thought I was gonna break my leg. That was awesome.
Take care.
See ya. All right, I have a package that I need to have sent out.
Sure, I can help you over here.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Emma.
Emma.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Where'd you fly in from?
Like 5 miles away. Whew. It's chilly out.
It is, yeah. It just snowed yesterday.
It did just snow. Yeah, it was kind of warm there for a while. Dan, here's your package. It should be to you tomorrow. Wait, probably in 2 days. It's not going out
I'm
today.
assuming 2 days.
Did it pick up today already?
It did, yeah. It'll go out
Darn it.
tomorrow.
Missed it, Dan. Maybe we should fly to the post office. Just kidding.
Looks like it'll be $15.50.
$15.50. All right. There we go.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait.
All good?
Hold on.
Said there was an error. Uh-oh.
Oh, just,
Oh. Just out of paper. No big deal, Dan. Don't freak out.
I might just have to call Trevor over because I just have to print a new one.
You sure?
Yeah, because it won't have a tracking number on it, so yeah.
Oh. I'll come back in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. How's that?
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Be right back. First, we got to go get some supplies. Just a couple little supplies here. Oh, man. Ooh, Bud Light, huh? Bud Light and whiskey. Love it. Alrighty. What can we carry back today? Whoops. Budweiser Natural Ice. I'm looking to get PBR, but that's a little bit too much for me to carry. Where is the PBR? Pabst 4-pack. Oh my God, they're sold out. Shoot. What does the guy get instead of PBR? There's no other PBR? Oh, this is an emergency. Cancel the whole video. There's no PBR. Huh, I gotta get a 6-pack of something. Do they have 6-packs of PBR? No, only 4-packs, huh? Pabst 4-packs sold out. Darn it. Where is PBR? Wisconsin. Wisconsin beers. Oh man, this is a real heartbreaker here. No PBR? Coors? Four Loko? No, not Four Loko. I can't believe there's no PBR here. They're sold out of PBR. What do we do here? Ish. We could get a variety pack. I can't leave here without PBR. That's the dang truth. Oh, I hope nobody's stealing my Paramotor. I gotta hurry up. I really gotta hurry up. Okay. I'm just gonna get something else. We'll just get a 4-pack of something else. Man, that's a real bust. We could get Liney's, and it's almost summer. Liney's Summer Shandy. We're gonna go with Summer Shandy today. All sold out of PBR. Next best thing, we'll go with Line and Kugels. Okay. $7.90. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8.
Everything nice.
You too. Quick check on the Paramotor, make sure it's okay. Oh yeah, Paramotor's safe. Okay, we gotta go get our receipt now. Well, no PBR, but how's it going, man? No PBR. Ooh, Bush's baked beans. 2 for $4. I can't have beans or else Andy will smell it tomorrow. All right, let's go see how this is going over here. Hi, did it work?
Good, yep.
All good, thank you so much. See you later. Mission halfway complete. Dropped off the package. Got some beers. Ready to take back off. Now I gotta take back off out of the parking lot. Whew, might be a tricky one. Who cares? As soon as I get home, cold summer shandies. If you haven't had Line and Kugel's summer shandy, it's a taste of summer. It's like beer with lemonade. So what could be better? All right, let's try to get off the ground again. Okay, we made it back. Got the beers. Oh, and my CaraBEEner's broke. Whew. This is a tough mission today. All sorts of problems. I guess we just got to get resilient. That's why you should always carry zip ties. Zip ties would really help out in this situation. But I think we're all right. Oh, this CaraBEEner came disconnected. And the whole thing of beer was almost falling off. Oh my God. That was absolutely incredible. Oh, yes. Total success. Made it all the way to the store. Dan, your package is on the way. Got some summer shandies. Had an awesome flight, smooth air, kicking the tops of the trees. Absolutely perfect. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up and go enjoy the rest of those beers. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little adventure. If you did, like and subscribe. See you in the skies. Adios.